What is going on, guys? Something here today. I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to turn off DMs on Discord. Let's get right into the video. So guys, the first thing you have to do is you're gonna open your Discord app first, and after that you're gonna click the three lines in the top left corner. Just click that, and you're gonna click the three dots in the top right corner. Just click those, and you're gonna scroll down until you find allow direct message from your friends or from other people's. Just turn it off, and if you don't want the notification for this app, for the Discord, all you're gonna do is just go to your profile right here, and you're gonna click privacy and safety, and you're gonna see allow direct message from server member. If you're someone is on your chat, if you don't want their messages, just turn it off, click yes, and you're not gonna get any notification. And this is how you do it, guys. If this worked for you, let me know in the comment section. If this was helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and peace.